Broke the strap on my Fitbit Surge. First it started to bubble a bit, and then for some reason the other side just snapped off one day. So I ordered a replacement kit off of eBay. Fitbit doesn't actually have replacement straps for the Surge, so you just have to order one. And they only cost around $10. So the kit comes like this. It comes with a new top and bottom strap, replacement torque screws, and then it comes with its own little torque wrench here, or torque driver, and a flathead driver. I don't know what this is supposed to be used for. I guess I'll figure that out. And then it comes with this little pick, kind of looks like a guitar pick. I think this is supposed to be used to break the adhesive holding the strap onto the watch. So give it a shot and see what happens. So I don't know if you can see this, but the strap actually has a hard plastic inside the end of it, and it covers that, and this is the part that just completely broke. So you have to remove the old screws holding the plastic on. These screws come out pretty easy. They're really short. So you can see this is where it started to bubble off of the hard plastic that's within the strap. So then you just have to pull this piece off. This is the piece that still has the adhesive on it. So I'll try this and see if this works at all. I don't know how it's supposed to do anything. Maybe that's what this screwdriver is for. Yeah, so you can slip the flathead screwdriver underneath, peel off the adhesive off the hard strap, and you can see that this is the adhesive that's left behind. It's like a black rubber cement type adhesive. It's easy to just peel it off. So you want to clean this up really good before you put the new strap on. You don't want to have any old adhesive, any sand or dirt that's worked its way in there. So just give it a wipe down. I just wiped it on my shirt. It's good enough for me. So I've seen other videos and they recommend using rubber cement when you put the new strap on. I don't have any rubber cement, and I'm definitely too lazy to go to the store and get some. So I'm just going to use some construction adhesive, which is way stronger than rubber cement, but it might be a little bit overkill. So when you put the strap back on, it's got these ridges on the side, and there's ridges also within the strap, and they lock in and help to hold the strap on. So I'm just going to put a little bit of the adhesive on. If you're in the market for one of these athletic type watches, I definitely don't recommend the Surge. Just for the fact that you have to do all this. And just take, I'm going to use the new screws, see how they work. I would just go until it gets pretty tight. They're pretty short screws, so if you really reef on it, there's probably a chance you might end up damaging one of them. Put some adhesive on the other side. So I ordered this strap off of eBay, someplace in China, and took about a month to get to Canada, which isn't a big deal, just to let you know. Alright. Looks good. Yeah, so it's pretty easy to replace the strap on these things. And I'll let this sit for probably till tomorrow, and then it should be good to go. Alright, thanks for watching.